Hey guys, I'm Warren Nash, and do you love pizza, but do you also love fajitas? Well, here's a great recipe infusing the flavours of these two really popular dishes. Here's how to make fajita pizza.
Firstly, take a bowl and add 100 grams of cooked sliced chicken breast. Then add half a teaspoon of ground cumin, half a tablespoon of dried oregano, and half a teaspoon of caster sugar. Now squeeze in the juice of half a lime, then mix these ingredients together until the chicken is covered in the spicy sweet marinade. Set the chicken aside, then we'll prepare the rest of our ingredients. So take one white onion, slice the ends off, slice in half, then peel, then slice into half moons. Also take one garlic clove, again peel, then finely chop using a sharp knife. Next, take a frying pan or a sauté pan and place over a medium to high heat on the stove. Heat up some olive oil and then add your onion and garlic to the pan. Now fry your onion and garlic for about 5 to 10 minutes, then add the chicken that you set aside earlier back into the pan. Fry all these ingredients for a further 5 minutes until the chicken has just started to crisp up. And when you've finished frying, remove the pan from the heat and then set aside. And now we'll prepare our pizza base sauce. So add 1 tablespoon of tomato puree to 2 tablespoons of mild red salsa. Then mix these two ingredients together. Then take a prepared pizza base placed on a baking tray lined with some greaseproof or parchment paper. Then evenly spread out the sauce over the base. Then sprinkle over approximately 35 grams of grated mature cheddar cheese. Take the fried chicken, onion and garlic that we set aside earlier and then place this on top of the pizza. Then take 1 washed red pepper, slice the end off and remove the seeds and core, then slice into strips. Then place on top of the pizza as well. Now sprinkle on top approximately 35 grams of grated mozzarella cheese and then your pizza's ready to bake. So, in an oven that's been preheated to 180 degrees centigrade, which is 350 Fahrenheit, bake the pizza for between 15 and 20 minutes, until the cheese has just started to go golden on top. Then remove the pizza from the oven and we'll top it off with the rest of our fajita inspired ingredients. This includes about 25 grams of guacamole and 25 grams of sour cream. Evenly dollop over the top of the pizza and then we'll finish it off with some fresh basil. And there you have it, that's how to make this really tasty fajita pizza, which is also great fun to prepare.